Welcome back to Banana Thai again with Krai Smoke. I just got a message from my student to ask about the phrase Krai Kaay Kai Gai. Krai Kaay Kai Gai. And that is a problem because they are not the same word.
Nope.
In this video, I'm gonna teach you all of these 4 words and how to pronounce them correctly. Start from the first one, the word Krai. Krai. See, it's a cluster with K and R. Krai. Krai means who. Flat tone. Krai. The next word, Kai. Kai without cluster. So, Kai with long sound and the sound go down and up. Kai means to sell. The third word, Kai. Kai. Without cluster, the sound go down. Kai. Kai means egg. And the last word, Gai. Gai, not Kai. So with G sound. Gai means a chicken. Please don't get confused. Kai sound is egg, while Gai Gai is chicken. Kai Gai. When you put the 4 words together, Krai Kaay Kai Gai, the tone is already different. Krai Kaay Kai Gai. Different. So say it together. Krai Kaay Kai Gai. Krai Kaay Kai Gai. Who sell the chicken egg? That's it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Banana Thai and set C first to see my updates on my Facebook. Krai Kaay Kai Gai. Krai Kaay Kai Gai. Krai Kaay Kai Gai.